I think this is interesting, Rob, for a bunch of different reasons. Not the least of which it's something you might be able to use right now if you decided to go live from your phone, and rather than tapping the phone like the phone is your camera and you keep leaning forward, you now have a little controller that you can use, and you can plug in an XLR mic, and I guess you got it all in one device. What were your thoughts from taking a look at it?
Yeah, I got a chance to play around with it, and it was really kind of really interesting. So if you have like two phones, you can create a multi-camera shoot with this thing, right? It just plugs directly into your phone, and it uses your phone as the base to record the video or the audio or whatever you're doing. So you don't need any additional equipment. So you just need an XLR to plug in your microphone, and then a couple of good quality mobile phones, and you can create this multi-camera shoot. And it's got touch action buttons to play sound effects, video clips, all that stuff right into the recording. And it's this little tiny box, and it's just amazing. It's something that I'd love to build my next studio around. It'd be awesome.
Yeah. So you think you would use it at home as well as on the road?
Yeah, I think you could. I think the video cameras in our smartphones now are terrific. So I don't know why we couldn't use them for doing all the live stuff.